For the last two list files, dupe layout and relays, I use these together. There's two built-in AutoCAD methods for creating copies, which would be mover copy, select your page, create copy. The other method is you hold control and drag and get it to work. This is much faster, especially if you have a lot to do. It'll prompt you with the page you're currently on. Pick the amount of copies you want. And that's it, that fast. And then to rename them, launch the other command. If you don't put a prefix in here, it'll just number from 1. It'll start at 1 and number until it ends. And you can pick and choose, hold control key. We generally number our stuff 11.1, 11.2, and so on. So in that case, say I needed 5 pages for scope 11. I would come in here. I'm on scope 11. Say I wanted 5 copies, I need 4 more. And I launch the relays command. Type in 11 point. Come in here and select them. And they're renumbered. Quick and easy.